Microdermoabrasion is a process of using an abrasive material to remove some dead skin cells and other superficial imperfections from the skin. Microdermoabrasion can help with many superficial skin imperfections, and some very superficial scars can be softened and improved with repeated treatments. There have been studies done with microdermoabrasion to show an improvement in acne. One study showed about 37% improvement in acne with just the dermabrasion alone, microdermoabrasion. And so this is an adjunct that helps clear the surface of the skin, remove superficial blackheads and whiteheads, and may add to the effectiveness of other therapies. And also in this process, we're preparing the skin by removing those dead skin cells so that we have better penetration of active ingredients, the retinoids and the alpha hydroxy acids and many of the other active skincare ingredients that we use in dermatology. Most microdermabrasion treatments in a dermatologist's office would run over $100. And to be effective, it's important to have a series of multiple treatments. And so, there is a cost involved in doing that. And to be effective, it's important to have multiple treatments. The PMD is an effective home care device that has come out of the professional services that we've offered in the past. PMD is really kind of a home therapy unit that can be used for a significant change in the skin. The PMD is really a breakthrough device for home care units that people can use safely at home. It is important to use it according to the instructions. We have recommended to a lot of our patients, and they've been able to use it safely, and it's an adjunct to the other things that we do in our office for them. The PMD has an effective suction. That does a couple of things. It pulls the skin up closer to the sanding disc so that you get a nice even application of the abrasion to the surface of the skin. But with that mild suction, we are stimulating blood flow to the skin, and that will help in the rejuvenation process. Personal microdermabrasion is effective in treating fine lines and wrinkles. It is important to do it over a series of treatments and not trying to do it in a single treatment. That's called real dermabrasion. And so using that together with the good skincare products and sun protection will give nice results over a series of treatments. And like any device that is effective, it's important to use it according to the instructions and to be safe with it. It's like driving a car. That's safe if you follow the instructions. And so with this device, with careful use, following the instructions and repeated treatments, you can see the same improvement you're going to get in a doctor's office using his microdermabrasion. The PMD is a device that is used intermittently, and it can be used together with other devices like scrubbers and vibrating brushes and so forth, which is more of a daily skincare type of a protocol. PMD is really kind of a home therapy unit that can be used for a significant change in the skin, maybe once a week, and help with conditions that aren't going to improve with just vibrating brushes and scrubbers and manual devices. We tested the PMD in our office on a series of patients who did 15 treatments each. We gave them instructions on how to use the device, and no one had any adverse side effects, and they had results that were comparable to the results that we can achieve with our own microdermabrasion in our office.